You are watching news broadcast of Sigma Media Lab. Raigad district in Odisha. JK Paper Limited, Unit JKPM Raigad, a member of the JK organization, commemorated the 141st birth anniversary of its founder, the late Lala Kamlapat Singhania, with pride, emotion, and deep reverence at its plant campus today. The program paid homage to the visionary founder and chief architect of the JK organization, whose pioneering contributions have left an enduring imprint on the growth of modern industrial India. The occasion reaffirmed the organization's rich legacy, core values, and steadfast commitment to the dignity of labor and people-centric growth.
So can you have a name and introduction, please?
Yeah, I am Sandeep Pandey, heading the HR function here. For the last
Today is the Founders Day, 140th birthday anniversary of Lala Kamalpat. So in this regarding, so what do you want to send? What is the aggressive points have you proceeded for people?
Actually, this Founders Day commemorates the enduring legacy of Lala Kamlapat ji on a series of tribute events followed by activities highlighting visionary leadership, pivotal contribution he has made, and that was set to the industrial current scenario, which was led by Sri Kamlapat ji long back. So, and the values which was given by him, now we are living with those values, and as such, caring for people is one of them. And here today you have seen people with a long service and long assistance were awarded. More or less, 17 such people who have worked for 25 years have been facilitated with the award, and 2 among them were served for 40 years. So this is a legacy we are carrying years together.
So now what is the extra privilege are you giving to the employee since last year?
Extra privilege means caring for people is becoming is one of the core values of the company, and within that we give them the medical facilities, the accommodations, the self-development, the career growth. Even for higher studies, if you want to go for higher studies, for the scheme also we have. With this, they develop self and develop the company as well later.
Thank you. Okay.
Speakers highlighted the JK organization's strong business and cultural heritage, noting that the institution continues to be guided by the timeless values and ideals laid down by its founders. These principles, they observed, have withstood the test of time and shaped the organization into a respected and trusted business conglomerate, inspiring successive generations. A quote by Lala Kamlapat Singhania was recalled, reflecting his belief in honor, dignity, and fulfillment derived from one's own work. On behalf of the JK organization, a warm and cordial welcome was extended to the chief guest, Mr. Vinay Dwivedi, the Executive Vice President, Works, who presided over the function. The presence of distinguished guests from neighboring areas, representatives of the print and electronic media, senior executives, union representatives, employees of JKPM and PAPRI, staff members, teachers, students, and their family members was also acknowledged and appreciated. The ceremony commenced with an audiovisual presentation showcasing the global achievements of the JK Group, followed by floral tributes to the bust of Lala Kamlapat Singhania by the chief guest and representatives of management, workmen, and unions. Mr. Vinay Dwivedi thereafter delivered the presidential address. On this occasion, Mrs. Smriti Rekhakar, the Public Relations Officer of JKPM, along with Mr. Harihar Khamari and Mr. Brahmanand Mohapatra from the Public Relations and Corporate Social Responsibility Department, took on proactive roles in engaging with media personnel and the public. They organized an event aimed at fostering communication and collaboration, ensuring that the information shared was both informative and transparent. Their efforts were not only appreciated but also led to a constructive dialogue, allowing for questions and discussions that addressed various community concerns. A major highlight of the event was the presentation of the Long Service Awards, a cherished tradition of the JK organization instituted in 1966 to recognize employee dedication and loyalty. It was recalled that, up to 2024, a total of 20,285 employees across the JK organization have been honored for their long and meritorious service. This year, 134 employees from the batch of 2000 qualified for the Long Service Award on completion of 25 years of service, including 17 awardees present at the function. In addition, employees completing 40 years of service were conferred the Lifetime Association Award. Up to 2024, 123 employees have received this prestigious honor, with 8 more employees from the batch of 1985 being recognized this year across various JK businesses, including 2 awardees present at the ceremony. The awardees, accompanied by their spouses, were invited to the dais to receive mementos from the chief guest. The program was formally hosted and conducted by Mr. Sandeep Pandey, the General Manager, HR and IR. The event concluded with a vote of thanks proposed by Mr. Biswajit Dwivedi, Vice President, Commercial, following which a cultural program was presented by students of Lakshmipat Singhania School and Lakshmipat Singhania Public School, JK Pur. Mr. Manoj Kumar Mishra, the editor of Sigma Media Lab English, prepared this report.